So I wanted to clarify to you where your respect should lie when it comes to people. Realize that the great empires of today were made not by the person you see today, but by some kid many years ago in their father's garage. Some kid that no one understood, some kid that no one believed in, and with zero additions, zero transformations made to said kid, that person is the billionaire, millionaire, whoever it is that you look up to. But realize that you looking up to them when they're done isn't, it's not the correct person. The correct person is that kid. Because the qualities that make the final form are there in the beginning. Wheat is wheat. I'm reminded of a saying: "Wheat is wheat." I forgot the philosopher who said this, but should you search it on the internet, it's there. Yeah. So basically, the idea behind this saying, I can't even remember the saying, but the idea is that wheat is never grass. Wheat is wheat. It may look like grass, whatever else it looks like. Wheat is wheat, and it will always be wheat. And therefore, the billionaire is the kid. Yeah, the billionaire is the kid, the person who nobody believed in, so on and so forth. That's the qualities that you need to emulate. You don't need to emulate present day Trump. You need to emulate this man when he was $100 million in debt, because that's the power that gave birth to what he has now. You can't act like him when he's rich, because him when he's rich is not the same person as when he was becoming rich, if that makes sense. So I wanted to just point this out, because realize also that people who are going to make very big impact in the world, be influential, create change, super high value people, right? It's all this same genre of like freaking Elon Musk, who cannot afford rent and sleeps under the table in his office. Like, it's the same genre, yeah. So the idea is to learn to learn to identify them, and then to learn to emulate those qualities, the initial qualities and not the final qualities. Because I'll tell you what, me when I'm 80 years old and retired and done and made a lot of money and passed down inheritance and so on and so forth, I don't have the hunger that I have as a kid trying to make it. And therefore, if you're going to emulate making it, you're going to emulate the kid and not the adult.